Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time, but if this is your first time, my name is Shay, whatever you want to call me. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. This is literally my summer go-to look, like one orange eyelids and a different color underneath my lash line and golden tear dark. This is my go-to and it could be yours too. Honestly, it's so easy and you just need flattering lashes and that's it. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, the full face, my contour and everything, keep on watching and don't touch that dial. I think that's what they say. Or don't skip because it's YouTube. But before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I know I'm not the most consistent out there, but come on, and life happens, like life happens, and but I'm gonna try to show you all my actions rather than yap. So yeah, so subscribe, like my video, and also leave comments. Let me know what you think. Am I doing great? Am I improving? Let me know. So I'm gonna start with drawing my brows, and I'm using the Rimmel London brow pencil in the shade black brown. I know my brows look crazy right now, but I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna be using LA Girl Pro concealers. I'm gonna be using Toffee for the top part of my eyes, and I'm gonna use Fun or Warm Honey for the bottom part. You want to clean it so that your brows have a nice shape. And also, I'm team brows before full face of makeup. I don't know, I'm just used to that, and that's what I've always done as well. And then I take Warm Honey, LA Girl Pro concealer as well, and put that on the bottom. Warm Honey is actually lighter than my highlighting shade. So I also use it as a base for my eye makeup, so that's why I just prefer to go as light as possible. Going in with the Warm Honey on my eyelid to act as a base for my eyeshadow now. So when I'm using it as my eyeshadow base, I like to go in with a brush to blend it in rather than beauty blender. Go in and set it with the Vichy Demo Blend powder. I use this powder because it's white and it makes whatever you put under it stay, basically. So, and now we are ready for our eyeshadows. Now that our eyelids are, you know, looking white as hell. I don't know if it's white in hell, but so I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and it's an absolutely gorgeous palette. As you can see, I've done this eye already, so I'll go in and tell you guys how I achieved this color on this eye. So I'm using the 3 orange shades, which are Zakia, Nana and Kogi. Kogi is a bit of a reddish orangish color. I can't speak today. So yeah, I'm gonna start by using Nana, which is this color, and I'm just gonna go in on my crease and a little bit above my crease, which is this part here. Whoa, this palette is so pigmented. I'm like, it's just amazing, simply amazing. And then you want to make sure you blend it in. And then we're going to go into the middle orange shade, which is Zakia. And I'm going to put that a little bit below my crease. And just on the outer corners of the eyes. to blend into be like one color, but we want to like give it a bit of dimension. And then we want to make sure we blend it all in. Blend, 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 blend. Then I'm gonna go into Kogi and put that all over my lid and blend it all in. Super, super pigmented. So now that our eyes are done, all blended in, I'm not gonna put any eyeliner. I'm gonna go straight into fixing my lashes. With this, I'm gonna be using the KIKO mascara first for my natural lashes. I'm gonna be using the Tatti Mink lashes in the number TL4. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, you never catch anything else on my eyes apart from these lashes. They come with a glue as well. Right now, we're gonna go into the face. So I always start with priming my face. You can see how oily my face has gotten just from doing my eyes only. So I normally use the Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying Primer. And I find out that when I push it into my skin rather than rubbing it, it works better for me. So after I prime my face, I'm going to go in with my MAC Pro Longwear foundation. And I'm also going to be mixing it today with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I've never tried this combo before. I can hear my friend shouting my name from outside. So now that our face is all blended up, and I know my foundation looks darker than the rest part of my body, I use a darker foundation because it just helps you hide like blemishes and stuff. And not ridiculously darker than your shade though, but just maybe like one shade darker. Then I don't need to color correct because it just like hides all the blemishes, all the dark spots and everything on my face. I'm gonna go into highlight, and I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. We're having an LA Girl party today. I've used like 2 LA Girl concealers. This is the way I highlight my face. Different face shapes have like different types of highlighting technique, but with my face I tend to draw it down to come all the way down here and like that. So I highlight basically like that and like that. But some people just only need to highlight here. It just depends on your face shape. So this is the way I do my own highlighting. And if you have a face shape similar to mine, then yeah. And I also work a lot with my setting spray because my base is matte, my foundation is matte, everything is so matte that I need to like be able to blend it in without it looking patchy. So I'm going to spray my face one time. Okay, twice, yeah, whatever. And then just blend it in. Next, I'm going to be contouring, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 365. I use that for contouring. And for baking, which is the part we all love to do. I mean, I can't cook, but I can bake. You get? I'm going to bake my face, and I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup powder. I honestly don't bake. I just take a damn beauty blender and then just press the powder where it's meant to be, because I find that when I bake sometimes my face gets a little bit too dry because of all the mattifying products I've used in order to tame my aggressive oily pores. And then I just go in and do a bit of reverse contouring. Some powder and just draw it down. So after I've done a bit of reverse contouring, I go in, I use the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to just, you know, act as a powder contour. And then I'm using my MAC powder in dark deep dark, that one, and then just blending everything in. I'm just using the powder to bring everything together. So now that they all together in one love, in peace, in harmony, then we go back to the eyes, because did you think we were done, girl? Don't sleep on the eyes though. So we're going back into the magic palette, and I'm going to be using this magic color called Faso. I'm going to go in with Faso on my lower lash line. I wet the brush a little bit just to prevent any fallouts, because I already have mine. Putting that on my lower lash line, and just to be extra, I'm bringing it up a bit. And then I also use Nubia, which is the gold color, and I'm just gonna put that on my on my dark terry, the corner of my eyes. And I'm gonna go into my waterline with a white pencil. You can't really see the white pencil because I think the shadow I use for my lower lash line is just kind of taking over. I did put that. I'm gonna do the highlighter, and I'm gonna be using the Hustler Baby, because you know what? I'm a hustler, baby. Smooth. So I'm gonna just be using the Hustler Baby highlighter from Fenty Beauty. Put on my nose. It's got a little cute mirror. Love it. I also like to put it on like my brow bone, the top of my brow bone. So for my lips, I'm going to be using KIKO products. I'm going to list all of them down below. So I'm just using a brown lip liner to line my lips first of all. And we're going for a glossy lip, because why not? And then I'm going to go in with the lipstick. And I'm going to go in my favorite £1 lip gloss. Best lip gloss ever. So thick and stays for ages. I'm going to be using this KIKO gloss on top of that gloss.